Hello everyone, Jess Swaminarayan, contributor Personality Development Program. The subject code is 315004. So let's begin. Unit 5, Career Development Models. In the earlier lecture, we have discussed about what is called career development, definitions and characteristics of career development. By giving, we must have to make our career plan, vision of our success, and through a person who guides us and who is the model of our career that we have discussed in the previous lectures. Here we are going to discuss in Unit 5 the characteristics of career development. Characteristics of career development. Fostering better communication in organizations. फॉस्टरिंग बेटर और कम्युनिकेशन इन जो भी आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हो वहाँ पर आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है. फॉस्टरिंग योर कम्युनिकेशन इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट. द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ डिजाइनिंग अ करियर डेवलपमेंट सिस्टम is to foster better communication within the organization as a whole. आप जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जॉब कर रहे हो और जहाँ पर भी हो, यू मस्ट हैव टू डिज़ाइन योर करियर गोल, करियर प्लान विथ एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू मस्ट हैव टू कम्युनिकेट विद द एम्प्लॉयज़ बिकॉज यू वांट टू अप योर करियर्स, नहीं कि डाउन. Here I would like to tell you we should understand how to use techniques in career developments. Throughout their organizational lifespan, employees try to understand personal, social and economic and other factors which are related to their work life also. So here I would like to tell you also it promotes communication at all levels of organizations. It also behind the our goals that we have to find out about make a goals and according to that levels of organizations. For example, manager बनना है and employee and managers and top managements. Here you are going to decide how do we become a good manager, a good employee where we are. And here we can show our own talents and abilities. Proper communication is the lifeblood of any organization. Proper communication, it is the lifeblood of any organization. कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो उसका लाइफ ब्लड हो तो वो प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन, प्रॉपर इंटरेक्शंस बिटवीन एम्प्लॉयज़, कम्युनिकेटर्स टू whom you are talking, and it helps in solving several big issues. several big issues जो भी आप फेस कर रहे हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज़, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, प्रॉपर थ्रू प्रॉपर चैनल, थ्रू प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन, थ्रू प्रॉपर टोन ऑफ योर वॉइस, इट ऑल्सो उससे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारी सॉल्व हो सकती है. सो इट इज़ ये हमारे लाइफ ब्लड में ही होना चाहिए कि अगर पैरालिस्टिक्स वे में होना चाहिए कि हमारा पीच पेस हमारा कैसा है, उस तरह से हम हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स इश्यूज़ जो अगर हो रहे हैं उनको हम कैसे सॉल्व करें. सो वी मस्ट हैव टू डेवलप अवर प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन विद ईच एंड एवरी एम्प्लॉयज़. The teacher's task is to foster learning. Here I am going to share you one example of the teacher's task is to foster learning. यहाँ foster का it means encourage the development of something, inner and outer capacities. When a teacher knows the student's inner outer capabilities, what is his goal and how he or she completes, तो he or she's plans and tasks towards के उसको फोर्स करे डे बाय डे थ्रू प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग, प्रॉपर task, and proper person he or she needs any type of help. So ever been ready to accept any challenges, and teacher's task is to foster learning, ready to learn every person's at any times. Number 2, assisting with career decisions. Characteristics of career development. Number 2, assisting with career decisions. Whatever the decisions which are taken by through our career in organization, we must have to assist. Like a career development system provides employees as well as managers with helpful assistance with career decisions. जो भी एम्प्लॉयज़, जो भी वर्कर्स आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, दैट दे हैव टू हेल्प एंड मेक अ प्रॉपर डिसीजंस ऑफ देयर करियर्स, कि हाउ मेरा जो करियर का डिसीजन वो मेरे एम्प्लॉयज़ को और दोज हु आर जो मेरे मैनेजर्स को, मेरे एम्प्लॉयज़ को कैसे हेल्पफुल हो सकता है. दे गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एसेस देयर स्किल्स एंड competencies and know their goals and future aspirations. They get an opportunity to assess their skills. One day by day they must have to assess their skills through trainings, competencies. If you are in a comfort zone, competence में हो तो you must to think and know their goals, and also to identify your own goals and others' goals. And your future aspirations. आपकी future aspirations क्या है? According to that you are making your career decisions. It helps them give a direction. You have to give a proper direction so that they can focus on achieving their long-term career goals. Once your designation जहाँ पर भी हो, you have also help to your employees, those who are in your control. So those who are in your under, you must have to tell them to for the future development, they must have to work hard and fulfill their career goals. Number 3, better use of employee skills. Better use of employee skills. How can employee your one skill of employees, it is useful to organization. A career development system helps organization in making better use of employee skills. It also helps to employee skills also. Career development इतना आगे बढ़ेगा, उससे उसका एम्प्लॉय स्किल्स भी डे बाय डे इट ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्स, एंड डे बाय डे वो उसका सक्सेस का जो पथ होगा डे बाय डे वो अप होगा. Since managers know their skills, when a manager know their skills and competencies, they are put there at a job. They must have to put their skills and competencies, and they must have to put them at a job where they will be able to produce maximum output, where you are using your skills, your interpersonal skills, your inner strengths. It also helps the organization, and उसके आपका आउटपुट आपका जॉब में से, आपके खुद के करियर में से आपका आउटपुट मैक्सिमम मिलेगा once you implement. Employees try to understand and develop their career skills and interest, and to use these skills and interests more effectively also. Setting realistic goals. Okay, how can dream comes true? So you must have to setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals and expectations is another main objective of a career development system. You must have to specify your realistic goals and expectations. Accordingly, you must have to react and be confident, and उसके पीछे ही उसका गोल होना चाहिए, तो अचीवमेंट होना चाहिए कि नहीं, आई हैव टू प्रूव इट एट एनी कॉस्ट. It helps both employees and organization to understand what is feasible. Feasible यानी possible to do easily. It also helps their employees, both employees and organization के लिए easy होगा कि वो जो realistic goals आपने जो fix किया है, how it is useful to you and your organizations for them, and how they can achieve their goals, and how they can achieve their goals day by day through their realistic goals. Number 5, creating a pool of talented employees. Creating a pool of talented employees. Creating a pool of talented employees. How can a person become a talent and उसका create और उसका pool कैसा है employees का to show his talent in his organization also. Creating a pool of talented employees is the main objective of organizations. Main objective of organization ये होगा कि how can a person become a talented and how can he set his goals through main objectives. Here I would like to tell you it involves person's career exploration, establishments, success and fulfillment also. After all, they need to meet their staffing. Staffing, it means it refers to a number of workers employed to work in a particular organization. Staffing, it refers to the numbers of workers employed to work in a particular organization or building. Particular organization building में employees कैसे work करते हैं. Staffing needs in present and future and a career development system. So you must have to use in present and future goals also, and your career development system, it helps fulfill your requirements also. So that you must have to be talented. Enhancing the career satisfaction. Enhancing career satisfaction, this is the 6 characteristics. Organizations especially design career development systems for enhancing the career satisfaction of their employees. Employees must have to be satisfied with their career explorations in how through his डिज़ाइन ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डे बाई डे कैसे अप होता है. सिंस दे हैव टू रिटेन देयर वैल्यूएबल एसेट्स, दे हैव टू यूज़ देयर वैल्यूएबल एसेट्स इन देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड प्रिपेयर देम फॉर टॉप पोजीशंस इन फ्यूचर. कि टॉप पोजीशंस फ्यूचर में हमारे प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट से, स्किल से हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कैसे अप हो. They need to understand their career requirements. Yeah, they need to understand their career requirements. They also need their career requirements कि career requirements उनको कैसे helpful हैं. They have to understand कि मेरा career requirements how can I understand, and expectations from their organizations and what are their and उनकी organization में उनको कितना expectations है, और जहाँ पर भी आप जॉब कर रहे हो वहाँ पर भी आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस कैसी है. उस हिसाब के आपका डेजिग्नेशंस प्लस आपका ट्रेनिंग और डेजिग्नेशन और आपका पर्सनल ग्रोथ विद इनर एंड एक्सटर्नल ग्रोथ बहुत अप होंगी आपकी ये स्किल्स में. सेवन नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ career growth is feedback. Giving feedback on every step is also required. Yeah, you must have to give a feedback because it is helpful to you. What is your what you have to plant, what is your advantages, what are your through your feedback how can we improve? So within an organization, to measure the success rate of a specific policy implemented. So within an organization, when a person meet and receive his or her feedback, so it also helps how can a person improve his feedback and initiatives taken by the organizations. So it also helps the organizations how can organization day by day improves his own inner feedback. In addition to this, it also helps managers to give feedback for employees' performance. Yeah, it also helps managers to give feedback for employees' performance. वो मैनेजर्स को पता होता है कि एम्प्लॉयज़ का परफॉर्मेंस भी उनको देना चाहिए. They have to give feedback to employees' performance through their work, skills, training, so that they can understand what is expected of them. कि मैनेजर्स उनके एम्प्लॉयज़ से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस करते हैं और वो एक्सपेक्टेशन कितनी उनको उनके करियर के लिए कितना ग्रोथ बढ़ाती है. These are the objectives of career developments. To understand career development from a developmental and career development is the lifelong process of managing learning. It also a process of managing learning. Okay, how can in a group or in a team day by day we learn work in a team also, लेज़र ट्रांजिशंस. इट्स स्किल्स के ट्रांजिशन से लेज़र से हम कितना हमारा इनर ग्रोथ एंड हमारा करियर का ग्रोथ कैसे बढ़ाते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू मूव टूवर्ड अ पर्सनली डिटरमाइंड, किस तरह हम पर्सनली अपने आप आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड इवॉल्विंग प्रीफर्ड फ्यूचर, और हम अपने आप को फ्यूचर्स को हाउ कैन वी elaborate and how we shape our future through our objectives of career plans. To be able to discuss, when a person is going to able to discuss all these points and apply models of career counseling, when a person is going to apply his models of career counseling that is appropriate for use in an organization, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को भी इतना प्रॉफिटेबल होगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इतनी सक्सेस मिलेगी क्योंकि अ पर्सन एम्प्लॉइज़ और मैनेजर्स ही थिंक्स नॉट ओनली हिमसेल्फ बट ऑल्सो उसका करियर ओरिएंटेड व्यक्ति है. जो पर्सन है वो करियर ओरिएंटेड है, उसका पर्सनल ग्रोथ नहीं सोच रहा है बट ऑल्सो ही ऑल्सो थिंक्स अबाउट बीइंग और बिकमिंग हिज ओन inner and outer skills also. Objectives of career development. Here we have to plan, to design and implement lifelong career development programs. Here we must have to plan, to design, to shape our lifelong career development programs through which we can make a success in our goals. To locate, we have to identify, we have to evaluate and disseminate career. Disseminate, it means to spread information, knowledge, opinions widely. जब इंफॉर्मेशन नॉलेज आप वाइडली इवेल्यूएट करोगे आपको इतनी सक्सेस अपने करियर में, जॉब में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मिलेगी. एंड एजुकेशनल इंफॉर्मेशन टू एम्प्लॉयज़. सो यू मस्ट हैव टू स्प्रेड द इंफॉर्मेशन टू एम्प्लॉयज़ in line with organizational needs and opportunities. So it also helps to needs the organization जो needs है, जो requirement, उसको भी profit होगा. and opportunities जो भी अपन आए उसमें से you learn a lesson day by day. To evaluate the career development program, you must have to evaluate the career development program and use the results to effect organizational and employee improvements. We also have to use career development program and we have to think about more and more about our effect. हमारी इफ़ेक्ट अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे और एम्प्लॉयज़ के इम्प्रूवमेंट्स में पॉजिटिव है कि और मोर बेनिफिट्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रहे कि नहीं. सो वी हैव टू थिंक मोर एंड मोर अबाउट डीपली to think about career plan. You have to plan. A plan becomes in actions. and एक्शन अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी नीड्स और फीडबैक से डे बाय डे आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स डे बाय डे अप होगा एंड यू विल मीट ए सक्सेस. थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर ऑल.